So, if you or somebody you know that's living with a disability, well, you may have heard of the NDIS, but what exactly is it? The NDIS stands for the National Disability Insurance Scheme. It is a government initiative in Australia designed to provide support and services to people with permanent and significant disabilities. The goal, well, it is to help provide individuals achieve greater independence and build skills to improve their quality of life. Think of the NDIS as a personalised support system tailored to meet the unique needs of the goals of each participant. So, how does the NDIS work? The NDIS provides funding for a range of supports and services, and here how it works in 4 easy steps. Step number 1 is eligibility. First, you need to check if you're eligible. To access the NDIS, you must be under 65 years old when applying and be an Australian citizen or resident and have a permanent disability that impacts your daily life. Step number 2, application. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, the next step is to apply. You can contact the National Disability Insurance Agency to start your application. This process involves providing evidence about your disability and how it impacts your daily life. So, just a quick thing, if you're looking to build independence and your confidence, I have a free resource just for you. 10 simple life skills to build confidence and independence. It is just a quick ideas guide. So download it now using the link in the description and start building your skills today. Step number 3 is create a plan. After your application process is approved, you'll meet with an NDIS planner or local area coordinator to create a plan. This plan outlines your goals and supports you need to achieve them. Step number 4, once your plan is approved and created and everything's done, you can start using your funding to access services. Everything from personal care to therapies, and obviously to assistive technology, such as wheelchairs, and of course, home modifications in certain circumstances. So after that, you may be wondering, what does the NDIS cover? Well, it covers a wide range of supports tailored to your individual needs. So here's some examples. So the first one is daily living support. It helps with personal care and household tasks or even meal preparation. Therapies, access to physiotherapy and occupational therapy, or even speech therapy, or even assistive technology. Things like wheelchairs, communication devices, and hearing aids. The next big one is social and community participation. Support to help you engage in hobbies and sports, and even attend social events. Home modifications, well, making your home more accessible, like installing ramps or handrails. The beauty of the NDIS, honestly, it is designed to fit your unique needs and goals, whether that's finding a job or gaining confidence in social situations or even living more independent. So why is the NDIS important? The NDIS is more than just funding. It's about empowerment. It shifts the focus from welfare-based systems into investment into people, giving individuals the tools to support to live really fulfilling lives. It's a lifetime for so many, providing not just assistance, but also the freedom to make choices and take control of the future. It might feel very overwhelming at first, but there are plenty of support out there to help you navigate that process. If you have any questions as well, I have been a NDI support coordinator for a number of years, and if you'd like to link up, my email is below. I hope this video helped you understand just a little bit about the NDIS and how to get started. And if you have any questions or need any more information, drop your comments below and I'll honestly do my best to answer. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share this video with everybody who might benefit from you. So let's keep building independence together.